What's going on YouTube? Jason here. Today we will be unboxing this Seagull. This is the Haiou Biao 819.976056蓝盘古阿拉伯数字刻度钢壳黑带. So something about Arabic numerals, and it's on a stainless steel case with black leather strap. This is going to be a very unique watch, not seen on any other YouTube videos before today. So consider this an exclusive, and I probably bought this for the shock and awe effect, which I probably am not likely to get. Alright, so this is the standard Seagull blue box. Alright, just slide it off the sleeve, place it here, the box. The packaging we've seen before, the holographic Seagull logo since 1965. Okay, and there you go. Here's the watch. A blue dial watch. Let me just remove the stickers. You will first notice that they are in Arabic numerals. But this is the Eastern Arabic numerals. And again, I'm very surprised, as with the other watch, it comes off the box already moving. Alright, I'll just remove the stickers off the screen. Okay, I have removed the stickers, but let's just talk about the other contents. We have got a manual with the holographic Seagull logo since 1955. It's in English, describing the operations for the various calibers, as well as in Chinese Haiou Biao, right? In Chinese simplified characters. And in between, I think that's the guarantee card. Okay, here you go. And we have got the tag. I noticed with the other Seagull purchases that it has got the sticker price that I didn't pay anywhere close to. It's nowhere near 3,080 Chinese yuan. So I think this is the manufacturer recommended retail price, and it's up to the authorized dealer to mark down from there on. There are 3 color choices, but on JD.com only the blue and a rose gold case with a white dial is available. There is a stainless steel silver color white dial version that I thought would be interesting, because the date window would match the dial, but it has been sold out already. Okay, so one thing you noticed about the dial is that there are 2 textures. On the inner concentric circle, you get the sunburst look, and on the outer, on the track where the numerals are, it is somewhat of a flat dark blue. We have got a track, a second track in white outside of the numerals. And from the top, you notice that there's got a stepped profile. That's because I think the crystal is case on top of the main case, as you can see. Let's just do some measurement. We have a sign crown as well. On the back reviews the movement. I'm not sure if it's ST17 or ST19 caliber, but it is at least the rotor is somewhat polished, and you can see the Seagull branding on the rotor. Alright, 50 meters water resistant, as well as a 20 mm lug with case diameter. Let me just do it right a few times. I've been trying to get the case diameter right. So 2 to 8 o'clock position. Let's just slide it in. Okay. So I'm getting bang on 40 mm. Lug to lug. Luck to luck 45.3. 45.3. Let me just confirm it. Yes. Okay. 45.3 luck to luck. Thickness, notice that the crystal is very flat. So it is a 10.3 thick watch. Okay. So the movement, the date window is in white. The date window is in white, so it stands out a bit. And let's just disengage the first position. Engage it to the first position and let you hear, if you can hear the sound. So that's the sound of the date complication being engaged. Okay, it hacks. Okay, let me just move the hour and minute hand. Okay, so it feels okay, the movement feels okay. Okay, how does the hand winding sound? It winds as well, it allows you to hand wind. Alright, so you can hear some sound. It feels a bit stiff, but it's okay. There's a lot of resistance. Alright, so the key selling point is the Eastern Arabic dials, but of course you're getting a very good movement, a very good case manufacturer from Seagull. I know that pricing generally is an issue for Seagull, official Seagull watches. I remember looking at watching a video by Just One More Watch of him lamenting that to send to Australia, you're paying about $400-500 for another watch altogether, but that's still very pricey for a Seagull. I'm guessing that their main audience really are the local market, so that they can handle the manufacturer defects and the warranties. And some of the other watches that are on AliExpress, maybe they price it differently for the crowd. The numerals, the Eastern Arabic numerals, they are applied, and the look that is worthy of your consideration is that only, at least in the mainstream market, there are only a few watches, a few popular watches that have got the Eastern Arabic numeral dials. Two to three Seiko 5s. I'm not sure the reference number. There is a new one. There is a new one that is in green, and the new Seiko 5 Superman logo that it's very popular, but I cannot find it. I tried looking for it at Mustafa Center, and I believe that there's a big markup if you were to buy it from eBay. And that's about it. The watch wears on my 6 1/4 inch wrist. I won't say it's the best size. 40mm is the best size for my 6 1/4 inch wrist. I probably do better at the 39 or 38mm case diameter. A bit of an overhang for the keeper side. Okay, let me just hide it there. Don't let it stick out. So, okay, how does it work for you? 6 1/4 inch wrist. It is a bit, it reaches the limits of my wrist for a dress watch, but I would say that I hope someone notices the Arabic numerals. I hope someone notices the Arabic numerals. Alright, so all in, if you consider the price, I bought this at a promotion when they have it on the JD.com. They have various promotions, not unlike AliExpress. Maybe it's worth it. The movement, it's most watchmakers should be able to service this. Whether it's worth their time, that's another story altogether. But Seagull movements, they are pretty much everywhere for some of your AliExpress watches. Okay, so in conclusion, buy it for the dial, buy it for the numerals, or else if it's not something that works for you, you can just stay away from this watch. Alright, so that's all I've got for you today. Cheers.